Practically every piece of SEO content out there talks about earning more web traffic. And you might be like, yes, website traffic, definitely. What is that exactly? Let me explain. Website traffic is when people visit your website. Simple as that. Traffic can come from different places, including search results, paid ads, and links from other websites. When it comes to SEO, the goal is to get more traffic to your website from search engines. Specifically though, you want relevant website traffic, which means you should work to attract people who care about or need whatever you offer. Relevant website traffic helps you drive more leads and conversions. I mean, if someone wants to convert online, where will they go to do that? Your website, right? What about if they're just trying to learn more about your company to eventually become a customer? Again, your website is the place to go for that. That means it's important to take steps to earn as much relevant site traffic as you can. This all leads to the question, how can you earn more traffic for your website? The simple answer is to use SEO. There's no better way to attract traffic than to rank highly in relevant search results. To elaborate on that, here are a few SEO tips for bringing in traffic. Include relevant keywords across your site. By integrating relevant keywords into your content, you can help search engines understand what your content is about and get it ranking for those keywords. Make sure your site is mobile friendly. A lot of people browse the internet on their phones. So if your site isn't optimized for mobile, you'll be driving away a lot of traffic. Plus, Google ranks sites based on their mobile versions first. So if your site isn't mobile friendly, you won't rank high. Earn backlinks from reputable websites. When you earn links from other websites in your industry, it helps your traffic in two ways. First, it can help bring in traffic from those third-party websites. And second, each link builds a little bit more trust in your website. When you have enough links from other reputable websites, Google sees this as a sign that you're an authority on your chosen topic. In time, you will rank higher for your target keywords. So there you go. Those are a few ways you can bring in more site traffic. Of course, there are also a lot of other ways to improve your SEO. If you want to learn more helpful SEO tips and tricks, be sure to check out some other helpful content on SEO.com.